Methods in C# are usable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They can accept input parameters and optionally return values. They help you avoid code duplication and organize your code better. Think of them as custom commands you create to make your life easier in coding. This is a simple example of a method. The word void in here means that this method doesn't return anything. To use it, just call the method by the name. Every time you call it, the code inside this method is going to run, so you don't need to rewrite the same code. So why use methods? They prevent code duplication, make debugging easier, and keep your projects clean and organized. One change in a method updates it everywhere the method is used. And once you see how much cleaner your code gets, you'll be writing methods all over your projects.